fait, le trail running, c'est le sport le plus simple à pratiquer, puisque c'est le sport où on prend ses baskets, on va courir dans la nature. On n'a pas de contrainte d'avoir un chrono, on n'a pas de contrainte d'avoir une distance précise. On fait ça au plaisir en se servant du terrain.
Trail running is really wonderful for the diversity that you encounter, both going uphill and downhill on steeps, soft terrain, rocky terrain. Every step is going to be different, so it really helps your body. You get a stronger core, and part of it's just the feeling that you get when you're running on trails and being out in nature.
I started trail running, and I didn't even know at the time, but it really does help you to increase your running career. And I think the most important thing is trail running can prevent injuries just by the differences of terrain that you're running over. It's a softer ground, and you're working more of the muscles all over the body, so they have to adapt. And I'm sure that's why I'm still running today after 25 plus years of hard training.
My favorite aspect of being a trail running ambassador for Salomon has been to go to events and not necessarily just the participation, but watching the other participants and seeing people experience trail running for maybe the first time or their first competition on trail, and just seeing the passion that they come away with.
Le haut niveau change complètement l'arrivée de beaucoup de teams, beaucoup de gens qui veulent être plus pointus, qui veulent aller plus loin dans leur recherche, dans leur performance. Et à la fois, pour contrebalancer, plein de gens qui arrivent d'autres sports, qui arrivent de la course à pied traditionnelle, qui arrivent du VTT, qui veulent découvrir. Donc ce qui fait qu'on a les deux antithèses, des gens qui viennent pour le plaisir, des gens qui viennent pour la perf. Et du coup, au niveau des communities, au niveau des forums, ça grouille et en permanence on a des questions.
Of course, you have to train specifically for the event, so the distances in training will be shorter and faster. But when I get a question about somebody training for a 60 or 100 kilometre race, then for sure the training's much longer and much different. So we say it's horses for courses. Just talking to people and having a promotion to say, hey look, have you tried trail running? Because I think a lot of people don't realise just how good and how much fun trail running is.
I think my craziest dream for the sport is to see trail running follow mountain biking, and maybe at some point even eclipsing road running.
Community manager, on doit être un peu le pouce d'une main. C'est pas nous qui devons laisser une trace, c'est la marque qui va laisser une trace.
I wouldn't mind being sort of the grandfather of trail running.
I would love to be remembered as an athlete, but also I would love to be remembered as somebody who was kind of happy and stress-free and pushing for the enjoyment of mountain running and trail running.
Yeah, I think trail running and social media are a great mix, because trail running is kind of independent and you don't want to run into a lot of people, so you can share your experiences through the internet. A single word, I would say inspiration, which comes from a combination of all sorts of factors. He's a wonderful ambassador for the sport.
Ne pas oublier la trilogie du respect, respect de la nature, respect de soi et respect de l'autre.
Get out there and enjoy it. I think the trail runners already know that. It's really the message is for road runners, and they should get to the trails, enhance their experience as a runner. I think for me there's a combination, certainly my eyes, because I'm out there to experience the beauty of nature. Sometimes it's my nose or smelling things, but also my equipment, the apparel, shoes as an extension of my feet, giving me protection and maybe traction where I need it.
Le nouveau matériel, c'est light, c'est fast, et c'est surtout du matériel qui est une extension du corps. C'est-à-dire qu'il faut avoir des chaussures légères, il faut avoir des chaussures qui sont stables, des chaussures qui vont nous permettre d'aller plus loin dans la pratique et qui seront oubliées. Pareil pour le vêtement. Le vêtement, il faut que ça soit un vêtement qui apporte quelque chose, comme avec du soutien postural, mais en se faisant oublier. Il est là pour aider le coureur, c'est pas une contrainte.
It's already a very quick growing segment of the trail running market, and I think women just love the experience with nature, so it's an easy growth area.